Welcome to In the Kitchen with Martha. Today we are making raspberry muffins. So we're gonna start with our dry ingredients and then proceed to the wet ingredients. So I've got here with me 1.5 cup of flour, and then to it I'm adding 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and then I'm gonna add some sugar, a 1/4 cup of sugar, and then we mix. Just until they incorporated. So now let's add the wet ingredients. So I'm gonna add 2 eggs, half a cup of milk, and a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence, and we mix. So first I'm gonna mix in the well where I added the wet ingredients, and then I mix it all together. So I'm gonna use a spatula. So here's my spatula, and I'm just gonna add everything together until incorporated. So here's our muffin dough. To it I'm going to add raspberries. Do not overmix your dough. You mix enough just so it is incorporated. So I'm going to add some raspberries to it, and here we go. These raspberries are frozen. They are frozen. You can add fresh ones if you like. So I chose to add those frozen ones because they are the ones I had. And also, this is my way of preserving some fruits I have in the fridge. I just put them in the freezer so that they can stay for longer. So now here is our mix, and then we are going to do the crumbly topping for our muffin. So for our topping, crumbly topping, I've added half a cup of sugar with a quarter cup of flour and a teaspoon of cinnamon. So this is the mixture, and I'm going to add some butter to it, and this is just 50 grams of butter. I melted it a bit and I'm gonna use it in here. So if you feel like the crumbling is wet like it is here, we're just going to add some flour to it. So I'm going to add flour to it so that it can be at least dry. So here's some flour. You add just until the mixture has a crumbling consistency. We're almost there. So this is it. This is our crumbly topping for our muffins. So now let's move on to the next step. Now we are lining our muffin pan. If you do not have liners, you can just put butter or margarine or oil here instead, and then put your butter directly onto the pan. So now I'm going to scoop the butter. So I've decided to use this big spoon. If you have ice cream scoop, you can use it instead. And make sure that you put the same amount of butter so that it can cook evenly. And don't fill your butter all the way. So I'm just gonna finish this little batter. That's enough. We're going to add the crumble topping, and you can use a tablespoon to measure. So this is our crumbly topping. If you have some white chocolate, you can add it instead of the crumbling, or you can even add both. So now we're going to bake our muffins for 20 minutes until they are golden at 180 degrees. But the temperature differs oven by oven, so you should check your oven settings and use that instead. So now I'm going to put this in the oven, and we're gonna let them cool off just for a little while, and then inside the pan, and then I will remove them and put them on the cooling rack. So these are our muffins, and they've been cooling here on the rack. Just gonna grab one, and here is our raspberry muffin, all fruity and nice and crumbly on the top.